Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to EVS class. Have you completed previous classworks? In our last class, we have learned that different birds eat different kinds of food according to their beaks. Today, we are going to learn about birds' nests. Okay, let's start. Our aim is to recognize that different birds use different materials to build different kinds of nests. Keywords are nest, build, twig and straw. Okay, children, have you ever seen a nest? Where have you seen it? Okay, let's see. Now we are in lesson 3 of block 4. Today's topic is birds' nests. Here you can see some of them. Different birds build different kinds of nests. They are looking different in size and shape. You can see here. It all depends on the birds and the area they live in. Now we are going to learn different kinds of birds' nests and the materials used to build these nests. Okay. Have a look at these pictures. All the nests look different from each other, isn't it? Yes, some are large while some are small. They are in different shapes and size. See this first one. This is robin bird's nest. It is round in shape. You can see. Okay. See next one. This is woodpecker's nest. It looks different as it is made of wood. Can you see, children? Okay. Let's move to weaver bird's nest. Here you can see weaver bird's nest. It looks like a funnel or cylindrical in shape. Can you see? Okay. See this one. This is swallow bird's nest. It has a unique shape, isn't it? Can you see? It looks like a tunnel. It is made by mud. Can you see a swallow bird inside? Okay. Children, from where do the birds get the material to build their nests? Can you answer me? Birds collect the material to build their nests from the area in which they live. Different birds build different kinds of nests. They use materials like twigs, grass, straws, eggshells, leaves, feathers, and wood to build their nest. Is it clear? Different birds build different kinds of nests. They use materials like twigs, grass, straws, eggshells, leaves, feathers, and wood to build their nest. Okay, children, open your EVS content book, page number 22. Have a look at these pictures. Here you can see few birds' nests. All are different from each other, isn't it? Yes. See this first one, weaver bird's nest, robin bird's nest, then pigeon's nest, swallow bird's nest, crow's nest, and woodpecker's nest. Some birds make holes in the bark of trees and make their nests in these holes. Here you can see this woodpecker made a hole in the bark of this tree. It looks different as it is made of wood. Am I right? Okay. Why do birds build nests? Can you answer me? Okay, let's see. Look here. Here you can see a robin bird and a pigeon with their eggs. Can you see? Okay. Why do these birds build nests? Birds build nests to lay their eggs and keep their babies safe. Birds build nests to lay their eggs and keep their babies safe. Have you understood? Okay. Children, do all birds build a nest? No, some birds do not build a nest. They use other birds' nests or lay eggs on the ground. For example, cuckoo lays its eggs in a crow's nest. See this picture. Here you can see a crow is feeding cuckoo chick. Can you see? Cuckoo lays its eggs in a crow's nest. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, let's move to workbook page number 26. Write today's date here. Number 1. Which of the following are made by birds? Children, you have to tick the correct pictures. Okay. Question number 2. Name the bird whose nest this is. What is it made of? Why is this bird's nest different from other nests? Here you can see this is swallow bird's nest, isn't it? What is it made of? It is made by mud. Why is this bird's nest different from others? Because it is in tunnel shape. Okay, you have to write your own answers. Okay. Question number 3. Why do birds build nests? We have learned already. Birds build nests to lay their eggs and take care of their young ones. Is it clear? Okay. Children, what we have learned today? Let's revise. Different birds build different kinds of nests. Birds use their beaks to make their nest. Birds use materials like twigs, grass, eggshells, leaves, straws, feathers, mud and wood to make their nest. Birds build nests to lay their eggs and take care of young ones. Cuckoo lays its eggs in a crow's nest. Have you understood, children? Okay. That's all for today. Thank you.